Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Siri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about hardware and software. First, introduction. A computer is an electronic device that accepts data in the form of input and process data arithmetically and logically. After that, produce information as a form of output. Means computer is an electronic device that accept data. Accept data means input. You provide input through keyboard, mouse, and after that CPU process and produce information in the form of output. So it is divided into two main categories. This computer are divided into two main categories. First one is the hardware and second one is the software. Now discuss about hardware and software one by one. Hardware. Hardware is the physical aspects of computers, telecommunications and other devices. It means hardware is a physical parts of computer. It includes not only the computer proper but also the cables, connectors, power supply units and peripheral devices such as keyboard, mouse, audio speaker and printer. It means hardware is a physical parts of computer we cannot touch and we can touch and see it. In a simple language, hardware is a peripheral devices or physical devices of computer we can touch and feel it. Example: keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, etc. Hardware are divided into three categories: input device, output device and storage device. So now first, input devices. These are special types of hardware devices that are used in input words, numbers or pictures into a computer. These are called input devices. Example: keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, etc. Means input devices is a special types of hardware that are used to input words, number and pictures into a computer. Here, scanner. A scanner copy a picture or text printed on a paper into the computer. Means scanner produce soft copy of to hard copy. Through scanner you can scan any hard copy, and after scan you find a soft copy. Webcam. Webcam is a primarily used to share pictures and have live chat with our friends and relatives using internet. For video calling, use a webcam. Joystick. Joystick is used for playing games. It helps to move the items on the screen. Through this joystick you can play games easily. Next one is the light pen. Light pen looks like a pen that can be used on a special pad. Whatever you write on this. Light pen just like a pen, and using this light pen you can write anything on a special pad. Next one is the microphone. A microphone is used to record our voice and other sounds into the computer. Means microphone is used to record our voice and other sound in a computer, and easy way to record your voice just like in your mobile. Trackball. Trackball has a ball on its top to move pointer on the screen. Roll on. Means through the trackball is also input device, and through trackball you can only move a ball top on the trackball. You see the pictures of trackball. Top of this input device have a ball. You can only move a ball left, right, and your cursor move according to your movement. Output devices. The devices which display the information and result are called output devices. What is output devices? The output devices which display the information and results are called output devices. Example, monitor, printer, etc. Here given the monitor, printer and speaker. Speakers are used to hear music and sound stored in a computer. Printer. A printer, the output device which you see on the computer screen on a paper. Means through printer you can print any documents you find out a hard copy through this printer. Monitor. Monitor looks like a TV screen. Whatever you type on the keyboard can be seen on the monitor. It also displays a process information. Means monitor just look like a TV, and when you type anything through the keyboard you can see on the screen of a monitor. Storage devices. The devices used for storing data are called storage devices. Hard disk is the main storage devices which store the entire work we do on a computer. Other important devices like CD, DVD are also used to store information. Means storage devices are those devices used for storing data are called storage devices. The most important storage devices is hard disk because all type of information stored on hard disk of a computer. Other important devices are CD, DVD, pen drive. Here given CD. The CD stands for compact disc. It is a flat, shiny disc that store a lot of information. Hard disk. It is a device which stores huge amount of data and information. It is present inside the CPU. Each and every computer inside have CPU, have present hard disk, and hard disk store a large amount of data. Pen drive. Many students see pen drive. It is very small inside but can store and transfer data from one computer to another computer. It can be handled easily and it can be easy way to carry in your pocket. So nowadays pen drive is most useful storage device. Next is software, a set of instructions that enables physical components of a computer to work in a synchronized way is known as software. Software, in a simple language, software is a set of program which can perform a special task and give the command and give instruction to perform a hardware. Software is a set of instructions that enables physical component of computer, like physical component of computer means hardware, to work in a synchronized way, in a proper way. This set of instruction is often called program. Computers cannot do any useful work without instruction from software. Means computer can perform all work with the help of software. When you give the command, the software perform a particular hardware. So software is a set of instruction and set of program which perform a specific task. Software are two types: system software and application software. Now discuss the first one, the system software. System software helps in running the computer hardware and computer system. System software helps in running the computer hardware and the computer system. Main system software are operating system and device drive. There are so many system software also: operating system, device drive, translator software, utility software, are all these example of system software. Next one, the application software. Application software enables the user to accomplish certain specific task. It means application software are those software which perform a specific task, specific work, like web browsing software. Web browsing software allow one to surf the web, for example Internet Explorer. Word processing software allow user to create, edit or document For example, MS Word. So application software is a certain specific software which perform a specific task like web browser, WordPad, MS Paint, MS Office, MS Excel. All these type of software are called application software. After that, when you understand what is software and hardware and its types of hardware and software, given here homework. First question, what is software? Name its type. Question number second, what is a storage device? Give any one example. Question number third, what do we call the hardware devices that are used to enter words, numbers or picture? Question 4. Name the program used for performing calculation. Calculation performed by calculator. You know very well about this. Answer of this question. Question number 5. What is hardware? Question number 6. What is system software? Every student write on your copy, and after that you learn it. Your homework. Hopefully you understand all these things in given this video. Thank you.